Good morning, fifth graders. Today we're going to work on an assignment called The Case of the Mixed Up Gifts. So basically what happened is that there were some gifts donated to a bunch of houses and somebody forgot to put the gift tags on them. So now we have no idea who they belong to. So you're going to use your inferencing skills to figure out who do the gifts belong to and which house goes to which family, which house belongs to which family that you're going to see their names listed here in a minute. So remember, when we make inferences, who can do the body motions for me? You ready? So you put your hands together like a book, and we open it up like a book, and we say, what the author tells me. And then we put our hands on our head, and we say, what's in my head? And then we reach our hands way up in the air, and we wiggle our fingers, and we say, makes an inference. Okay, and if you don't remember how to do that, I'm sure somebody around you does. Okay, so we're going to make inferences. We're going to use clues from what the author is telling us and what we know, our own experiences, to help us figure out what the author's trying to give us those hints or those clues to figure out, okay? So that is your job. Make sure you read over this after you've finished watching my video. Don't forget to type your name down here. Here's a quick snapshot of inside the gift boxes. Each set of gifts are numbered. Gift 1, Gift 2, Gift 3. The next thing you'll see is a map. This is a map of your neighborhood. So you'll have to pay close attention to the details of each house, look at the house numbers, and then the slide 4 is your investigation report. This is the first page I'm going to be coming to check your work. So from here, you will type in your occupants. That means who lives in that house, which family lives there, the house number in which they are in, their interests, hobbies, and other information you've gathered. When you've figured out using all those clues, you will type which gifts go to this neighbor. You don't need to type a list of the things, you just type the gift number. So for example, gift 1, okay? This will need to be completely filled out with all 6 missing families' gifts. Each family has their own recording sheet. So this is the Redding family. Neighbor number 1. You will look at their phone records, their social media posts, their car, and their emails to help you make an inference on which house they live in, what gifts belong to them. After you've read all of those things and you've typed in inferences here, I want you to look at the map of the neighborhood and explain how you know the family lives in that house. And don't just say, because I know. Use details. Think about your 5 senses. What does it look like? What does it maybe smell like? Okay, so use details. Don't just say it looks like their house. What makes it look like their house? There's green and red swirls. Okay, you give me details. Here's a quick example or a look at what they are. Here's the phone records, their social media post, a picture of their house, and a snapshot of their emails. Please read through each of those things so that you can write detailed explanations here, okay? So we have the Redding family, then we have neighbor number 2 with their set of clues, the Martinez family, and at the top it tells you each family name, the Martinez family. Okay, so when you're looking at them, you just need to then go back and type in your responses here. Okay, there are 6 families. The Anderson family is the last family that you'll be looking at. The Anderson family is the last family you'll be looking at. When you are all finished, make sure all of the slides are typed in. Each of the family's files have information. I'll be checking for that. And I'll also be checking your slide number 4, which has your overall investigation report with all of your answers. Take your time with this and have fun. If you've made it to the end of my video, nice job. I'm hoping you were missing Mrs. Debo's random ramblings. So if you made it to the end, the code word is Christmas cookies. Christmas cookies. So see if you can spell it right with proper capitalization when you email it to me. And if you do, I'll send you an email back to go ahead and get yourself a dum-dum of your choice. There's lots of fun flavors. I think sugar cookie is one of them. So, or maybe Christmas cookie, I can't remember. So there's lots of fun flavors there. And I hope you have a good time with this assignment. Have fun.